We have reached the age of crypto coins. The world intelligent business and money as we know it, we have changed. Are you prepared for the future? We are CryptoCoin's platform of the future. With administrative office in South Korea and Hong Kong, FXTrading Corporation is designed to assist people with arbitrage, trading and mining of crypto coins and business related to crypto coins. Trading platform designed by IT specialist professional traders and a legal department. We have a powerful robot capable of rentabilizing up to 2.5% on the day of your initial investment. Meaning, we are developing robots that can choose which crypto mining is most attractive. We are helping to reach new financial and personal goals through the development of more advanced software to facilitate and automate the process of interaction of all aspects of the cryptocurrency sector. We believe that FXTrading Corporation's technology is the engine of the current country's current process. We are constantly searching the world for the best developers, programmers, and traders who are currently actively developing crypto technology, blockchain technology, and artificial intelligence. Our specialty is artificial intelligence with automated robot for trading cryptocurrencies and analysis of circulation in the cryptocurrency market and get the first robots that predict the future. One of our goals is to end hunger for children around the world. The company disburses 5% of the profit on food for needy children worldwide. And we will develop the platform where members choose to which country they would like to donate. Welcome to the future. Welcome to FXTrading Corporation.